In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by launching Play Store and getting this free app called Files by Google from Google Developer. When your new app is ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Select the gray switcher next to Allow Permission and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then hit Clean. Tap on Clean next to Junk Files and tap on Clear in the pop-up to continue. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!